King got the hammer in the king got the hammer got the hammer in the ring king got the hammer I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, so in today's video we are going to be making some glow in the dark lip scrub. So we're going to start by adding 1 cup of sugar into the plastic bowl. We're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of this grapeseed oil. Then I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of this organic refined coconut oil. So this is a nice consistency. It's nice and thick, so you got to kind of scrape it out. But it makes the scrub a really nice texture. So I really think that this is a key ingredient in any type of scrub. Next, I'm going to add this yummy smelling French vanilla Obrilo flavoring oil, and everything that I use in today's video will be linked in the description as well. So do not forget, every single thing that I'm using in today's video will be linked in the description, and all you have to do is just click it. It'll take you right to the item. So I'm just making everything super easy for you guys, and that's how every video is. Everything is always listed in the description. I'm just saying this because I get a lot of questions, and I just want to reiterate that everything that I use is always in the description for you guys. So now we're going to go ahead and mix all of that up. Make sure you mix it nice and thoroughly. Again, the coconut oil is a nice thick consistency, so make sure you really get that nice and smooth inside of the sugar. I was having a little bit of a hard time mixing all of those ingredients together, so I'm just going to add 1 more tablespoon of that grapeseed oil. So now for the fun part, we're going to go ahead and add this glow in the dark pigment powder, and it does glow. As you can see, I am showing you guys how it looks inside of the bathroom with no windows, so you can see how it looks before I even add it. So now we're going to go ahead and mix that powder into the sugar so it can all turn into one solid color.
It's RSM.
And after I am finished getting that powder all throughout the sugar, this is the outcome. It is a beautiful lime looking color, and this is how it looks in the dark with no lights. As you can see, it does glow, which is super cool and perfect for Halloween. So I kept the sound on this clip because I want you guys to see how the texture of the sugar is. I really love it with that coconut oil. That's the new ingredient that I added, but I'm going to be quiet and let you guys enjoy this ASMR. Okay, look at that shine. Like, after I applied the sugar scrub, look how soft and how shiny my hands are just from that. And they felt super soft. So I just wanted to show you guys that this is really amazing. And even after drying my hands, they are still very much moisturized, very much shiny. So imagine what this can do to your beautiful lips. So I hope you enjoyed that little ASMR, but we are going to get right back into the video. And I just want to show you an up close video of the scrub. Again, the texture is amazing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start to fill the little lip scrub jars with this beautiful scrub. And I'm thinking about giving these away to the first 10 people who order my Halloween collection glosses. So I think that's a really good idea. They'll get the 4 glosses and a free glow in the dark lip scrub. I think that's super cool. So I'm just really excited about the holidays, and I hope you guys are as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and place these sealants on top of the lip scrubs just to protect them even more. And to also make sure that the oil doesn't spill out and there's no spillage, and just to really keep the scrub secure. These little stickers laying around, and I decided to write glow in the dark so that whoever gets these, they know that it glows in the dark, so they don't miss out on the coolness of this sugar scrub. So I was trying to decide if I wanted to place them on the bottom of the lip scrub container or on the top, and I went with the top just so that they can automatically know, oh wow, these glow in the dark, and they automatically want to go check it out. And that is the end of today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I really thought that this was super cool that these glow in the dark like this. So it's perfect for Halloween and perfect for the holidays. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you also check out my Halloween gloss collection if there's still any left. But yes, I'll see you guys in my next video.
King got the hammer in the king got the hammer king got the hammer in the ring.